In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish low-content books on KDP, a tutorial specifically designed for beginners. The process is straightforward, but getting it right can make all the difference in ensuring your books reach your intended audience. You don't need to be a professional designer or a seasoned author to get started. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, you'll want to prepare your interiors, which are the pages inside your journals, planners, or notebooks. These low-content books typically contain minimal words and are more about the space they provide to the user for writing or organizing their thoughts. Think about who your audience is and what kind of layout or design would be most appealing and useful to them. Maybe it's lined pages for a journal or specific sections for goal setting in a planner. Make the interiors as functional and clean as possible because the utility is key for these types of books. Once your interiors are ready, the exciting part begins, designing a simple cover. Why simple? Well, the idea here is to create something eye-catching, but not overly complicated or off-putting. The cover is the first thing potential buyers see, so it's important to make a good impression. Use bold, legible fonts and attractive color schemes that align with the theme of your book. There are many free resources online like Canva that offer various templates you can customize to match your vision. Remember, the cover not only has to look good, but also meet Amazon's KDP cover specs, so be sure to check those requirements before finalizing your design. Now, it's time to upload your masterpiece to KDP. First, make sure your manuscript files and cover meet the required formats and sizes. You'll upload your prepared interiors and carefully designed cover onto the KDP platform from your computer. KDP will guide you through the steps with prompts, but take your time to ensure each file is uploaded correctly. This part of the process sets the foundation for how your book will be presented to the world, so double-check everything before moving on. With everything uploaded, you're now ready to set the categories and keywords for your book. This is a crucial step for making sure your audience can find your book. Categories will determine where your book is listed on Amazon, so select those that best fit the theme and function of your low-content book. As for keywords, these are search terms people might use to find your book. Spend some time brainstorming and researching to come up with effective and relevant keywords. Use tools like keyword planners to assist you, ensuring you cover a range of search intent. And there you have it. Publishing your low-content book on KDP by following these steps should set you on the path to success. Thanks for watching, and happy publishing.